In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make techno music in Suno AI. We'll go from a blank page to a full techno track by writing a strong style prompt, creating original lyrics, and letting Suno turn those ideas into music. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. We're going to generate a style prompt first, and for that, we'll use ChatGPT. Type ChatGPT into the search bar, open the official site, and in a new message, ask it to craft a Suno-ready style prompt for a techno track. Be clear about the mood, vibe, and BPM you want. Mention whether you want vocals, and list key instruments and stylistic details. For example, you might ask for a dark, driving techno groove around 128 BPM with minimal vocals, punchy kick, rolling bass, crisp hats, and spacious synth stabs. Press submit and let it write the prompt. When it's done, highlight the style prompt and copy it to your clipboard. Now head over to Suno and click Create. In the Styles area, paste the prompt you just copied. You can also note the vocal character you want, spoken, whispered, robotic, or airy, so Suno knows how to treat the voice. Keep it genre-specific and avoid brand names. Descriptive terms like industrial textures, warehouse reverb, or melodic arps help the model understand your target sound. Quick keyboard tip. Press Ctrl+V to paste on Windows, or Command+V on Mac. The clearer the style prompt, the better the generation. Next, let's make original lyrics. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write lyrics for a techno song that match the genre. Specify the subject, say, a long-distance relationship, and request short, rhythmic lines that can loop naturally. Aim for lines that hit the beat cleanly. 8 to 12 syllables per line often fits a 4-on-the-floor groove. Submit the request and give it a moment to generate. If the theme isn't right, adjust the subject or tone and run it again until it fits your track idea. Once you're happy, copy the full lyrics. Use Ctrl or Command+C to copy everything cleanly. Return to Suno, find the lyrics box, and paste them in. You now have both a style guide and words for the vocal. Click. Create and wait while Suno builds your music. This can take a little time, so be patient. When it's ready, listen carefully. If the energy or arrangement isn't quite there, tweak the style prompt. Try adjusting BPM, mood words, or instrumentation, or refine the lyrics to be tighter and more repetitive, then generate another version. Iteration is part of the process. That's it. You've used ChatGPT to shape the concept and Suno to bring it to life. Have fun exploring variations and saving your favorites as you go.